Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to print a memo line on a bill payment check in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that lets you confirm how the memo section will appear when you print. The idea is to open a transaction screen, make sure the essential fields are in place, and use print or preview so you can see exactly what shows up on the check. This is quick, and it helps you avoid surprises before you actually print. Start by heading into QuickBooks Online so you're on the main workspace. From here, move your mouse to the top left and hover over the Create button. That hover opens a panel with common transaction types and shortcuts, which is the fastest way to get to the form we'll use to preview what prints. From the list, choose Credit Memo. We're using this screen because it gives you a clear preview path and mirrors how memo and line details carry into printouts across forms. Once the Credit Memo window opens, click into the customer field to select the right contact. Even if you're just testing, having a customer in place helps QuickBooks populate the preview correctly. Next, locate the email field on the form. Clicking into this field is optional, but it's helpful to double-check the contact information while you're here. Accurate contact details won't change the memo line itself, but they do ensure your document is complete if you decide to send a copy later. Now, head down to the Product Service column and click to choose an item. Adding at least one line gives the form enough detail to generate a proper preview. If print or preview is grayed out, it usually means a required field is still empty, so make sure a customer and at least one product or service are in place. When that's done, look toward the bottom of the screen and click Print or Preview. QuickBooks will open a preview window showing how the document will look on paper. This is where you confirm that your memo information, if present on the transaction, appears in the layout the way you expect. Take a moment to scan the header, the line details, and the memo area so you're confident everything is aligned. If the preview doesn't pop up, check that your browser allows pop-ups for QuickBooks Online and try again. Also, keep an eye on page scaling in your browser's print dialog so the alignment remains crisp when you use pre-printed check stock. That's it. By opening the form, selecting the key fields, and using print or preview, you can verify exactly how your memo line will print before you commit it to paper.